Okay. So what we're seeing over here is these little nipples. These are called the papillary muscles. They're called papillary because they look like little nipples. And these are your chordae tendineae, these little strings over here. They're holding on to the valves. And let's see if it's a tricuspid or bicuspid valve.
How would you know?
We gotta see it. Let's see it. Okay. And this little smooth stuff, that's your valve. And if you touch it in here, that's extremely smooth. And that will be your endocardium. Right here.
On the sides?
Yeah. Here, touch it. It's really smooth.
Endocardium.
And this muscle part, that's your entire myocardium. That's the more muscular part. And let's see. No, these down here.
Internal area. So you can see you cut it right down the center. So this area is the ventricle, and here the left ventricle. And we know it's left because we have the very large muscular tissue that surrounds it. And the left has to pump against the systemic circulation, so it's got to be strong and muscular to push against that pressure. And then over here we have our right ventricle, and the right ventricle is smaller. Between the right ventricle and the right atria, what is this called right here? What is this flap of tissue called?
The tricuspid.
The tricuspid valve, correct.
How do you know if it's tri or bicuspid valve?
If you were to cut the heart this way, right above the valve, and look at it, you could see that the valve has three, basically, cusps. From the left atrium to the left ventricle, what's that valve called? The bicuspid, or the mitral, correct. So the tricuspid and bicuspid valves have these strings attached to them, and those are called the
Chordae tendineae?
correct. And what's their purpose?
To prevent the prolapse valves.
Yeah, to not allow it to flap back up and allow backflow back into the atrium when it's pumping. And those are attached to the
Papillary muscles.
correct. So in our atrium over here, so this is above. So let's see here. And the what the crap are they called? The little ear flaps on the atria are called the
Auricles?
Auricles, yes.
Oh, okay.
I think these would be the try.